Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Addison, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get monetized quick. This is a hack that you got to know. So if you're watching this video, you must fall under one or two categories. One, you have already reached the 4,000 watch hours threshold within the past 12 months, and you have 1,000 subscribers. For the rest of you guys, y'all are still on this journey, but y'all just answer you can't wait to hit that, and I know y'all will hit that. So y'all want to go ahead and know what information you need prior to getting there. I got you. It says that it can take up to about a month to get monetized. Nah, we're not waiting that long. I'm ready to turn that in progress to finish. So in understanding what we can do to speed this application up first, we need to understand what YouTube is looking for. So I pulled up a document, and I've also linked that in the description. And in this document, YouTube specifically says what they check when we review your channel. So according to YouTube, it's not a robot who's looking at it. There's actually a designated person who reviews your channel to see if you fit in the YouTube partnership program. And what they say they look for is the main theme, your most viewed videos, the newest videos, biggest proportion of watch time, and your video metadata, including titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. So if you know that's what they're looking for, it will probably be in your best interest to make sure all of that stuff is on point, on cue. This is the first easy, quick step. But if you read the fine print, it also says that the reviewers may also check for other things to see if you are a good fit for the YouTube partnership program. So if you feel like your channel is on the edge, examples, you got a lot of copyright claimed content. I know a lot of that stuff may be getting you a lot of views, but it's time to get to that money now. You know what I'm saying? So you might want to go ahead and remove some of that content because you can't make no money off of it anyway. And let's get ready to start making money with your content. So another important step in getting through this application process fast is to go ahead and set up your Google AdSense account. If you have an AdSense account, it'll be a quick process because now YouTube already knows where to link and associate your channel with so that you can start getting your bread. You can start getting your money. When I did this process, we did it live. We've had a few other channels that have been monetized. So I wanted to make sure that we captured this one so y'all can see the full steps. We are going to walk y'all step by step to show y'all how we did it so that y'all can know exactly what to look for. As y'all can see, we finally hit that 1,000 mark right here. Exactly 1,000. Now we're gonna go ahead and scroll down to the monetization on the left-hand side, and we finally got that blue apply now button. We've crushed the watch hours. We're gonna click on that, but now we're gonna go ahead and click on our user agreement. We're gonna sign that. Got that step finished out, and now we're gonna associate our AdSense account with our channel. So if you don't know what this is, we'll provide more information to that. But pretty much this is how YouTube knows where to send your money. So we're going to link it with this top account here. I already got this set up because we already have a few other channels that are going to this. This is a quick and easy step if you already have this situated. Let this do its thing for a minute. And then last but not least, we have step 3, time to get reviewed. Now we're in process. I'm gonna show y'all a quick hack. There's a send feedback button on this left hand tab, and that is what we are going to do. We're gonna use this send feedback button to pretty much let YouTube know that, hey, we're ready. Now listen, I can't say this is 100% gonna work for you, but the last 3 times I did it, it's always worked. So I'm gonna give y'all some specific text or some example text that y'all can put into y'all's video to see if it works for y'all. All right, so I got my notepad here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up, and we're pretty much gonna use this just so I can spell check things to make sure everything is typed the exact way, in the correct way. But we're pretty much gonna let them know, hey, we've reached the limit for subscribers and the threshold for watch hours that we have. What else can we do? Is there anything I can do to push my application forward? And we're gonna send this along with a screenshot of our dashboard as proof that we've hit the hours and the threshold for subscribers that we said we've hit. And don't worry, I'm going to provide the text here in the description verbatim so that y'all know exactly what to type. You know, it does help if you make it a little bit personal for your use case and for your scenario, just so it's not too generic. But hey, I think it will work even if you just copy and paste the exact same thing I said as well. We submitted on June 12th. and then we finally got approved on June 15th. Now that was split between a weekend. I'm not 100% sure about this, but I'm pretty sure, you know, brothers and sisters at YouTube got to take a weekend break too. Last time we did this, I applied one day and literally got it back that same day at the end of the day. So depending on which day you apply and depending on how busy they are over at YouTube, it could vary. If this video helped you at all, do us a real big favor for me. Can you please hit the subscribe button? You know what I'm saying? We would love to have you a part of the family, part of the squad. We would love to have you. This has been Addison. Catch y'all on the next video.